Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another yes sir today, man. Hope everybody having a blessed day today, man. Our on feet video. These definitely a personal. I'm keeping these joints. I put them on feet. I was like, oh yeah, I need to keep these. We talking about these Nike Dunk Low Setsubun. Released on April 11th on Sneakers app as well. Got these from corporate, you know what I'm saying, from Cincinnati area, Indianapolis area. Go ahead with the corporate. Most time people don't do first come, first serve. And so normally what corporate does, say Cincinnati area or Indianapolis area, they do first come, first serve on most of their shoes. Like most of the hype shoes, like the Retro 4s, SBs they had, I know they did the raffle. So Nike Dunk Lows, they did a first come, first serve. A lot of line was super long. When I got there around like 9:45, the doors opened up at 10. The line was kind of pretty long, you know what I'm saying? But when I got up, try to get my size, they didn't have my size 11 and a half. So I was like, you got 12 for me? He said, yeah, I got 12 for you. I said, all right, bet. But luckily I got the size 12 though. Knowing my Nike Dunks, I get 11 and a half. Most of my Nike Dunks, most of the time. But the size 11 Nike Dunks be fitting too snug, too tight. So I normally go from 11 and a half. That's my true size of Nike Dunks. But all this material right here. So I'm glad I got the size 12. So looking about getting this shoe, I would take a half size up from your actual size. So like I said, we're 11 and a half most of my shoes, except for my Air Force Ones, of course. But most of my shoes were 11 and a half. But this shoe right here, oh yeah, go ahead and get that 12. The material in this shoe, go a half size up. I'm gonna talk about the details of the shoe. And of course, like I said, we're gonna have our own feet of the shoe. It's not the premium material, don't get me wrong, but the material is nice, smooth on a Nike Dunk like this, you know what I'm saying? Plus, it got a little history behind it. I'm gonna talk about all that in this video. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Follow me on platforms down below. Without further ado, man, let's get into the video. Retail price on these was $120. Being behind the shoe, they call it a Nike Dunk Low Setsubun. It's a festival in the springtime in Japan. Throw roasted beans at the demons that's coming in. Much talking, man, let's go get that shoe out. Oh, snap. Corporate got him, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Matt, you know what I'm saying? Always show love for sure. To my boy Reggie too, much love to my bros for sure. But if like I say, if you're in the Cincinnati area or the Indianapolis area, go ahead to corporate, you know what I'm saying? They got some dope stuff. They got some hats, clothing, you know what I'm saying? Shoes, socks, shoe cleaning. They got a whole bunch of stuff in there. So go ahead to corporate, make sure y'all say y'all don't want to send y'all for sure, man. But like I said, got the bag, so let's go get the shoe out, man. Go. So you know me. All Nike Dunk Lows, most of the time, any Nike Dunk Low, the OG, white and red Nike box here. Got that personal size 12. Like I said, retail price on these was $120. So it says Nike Dunk Low Premium, white, court purple, size 12. You know what I'm saying? Retail price of $120. Not a bad price for these, and like I said, the material on these, but let's go get the shoe out, man. Hey, here they go, man. Nike Dunk Low Setsubun joints, man.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all.
Yeah. Like I said, it's a super clean colorway. I ain't gonna lie to you, camera, bro. Of course, on the brown, got the suede, got hints of the suede on the back as well. Got your cracked leather on the toe box here, if y'all can tell as well. Also, right here on this middle panel as well, got the little crack Nike purple logo here as well too. On the back heel area, got your Nike in this brown. It's suede, by the way. Of course, you got your little, like a light brown icy outsole here. Also on the tongue here, you got your, I wouldn't say that's gold, it's more like a brownish Nike logo stitched in here as well. With the laces, you got your gold tips with the white laces. Also, I love this detail as well. So you got your gold brown Nike swoosh extra layer on the shoe as well. On the back of the heel area, you got your actual Demon Slayer itself on the back heel area. In case y'all wonder, what is that logo? It's a Demon Slayer right there. Favorite detail of this shoe though, it's the insole. So right here on the insoles here, in case y'all don't know, like I said, I did some research on this shoe. Not too much research, but a little research on it. And it's a child hero, Kotaro here, and a mighty warrior named Sakaya Takoki. I believe I'm saying it right here. Most famous demon fighters out there in Japan, or out in the world, I should say. But This is my favorite detail of the shoe. It's the insoles. Like I said, super fire. But you can tell the insole is kind of thick compared to normally like Nike Dunk Low's material. Compared to Nike Dunk Low's insoles, like look how thick that is, and that's why I think this shoe is more comfortable. But around the sock line, it's a purple sock liner here. It's more padding around the sock line, if I could tell a little bit. So that's why I'm thinking like this shoe. That's why I was saying like the material on this shoe, and you gotta go half size up on the shoe because of the material inside the shoe. But like I said, got that cracked leather here on the toe box here. And also this brown, hints of the purple. This is overall just a fire shoe, man. I get a shoe about a 9.5 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. Only thing that's throwing me off is the icy sole. But you know what I'm saying? Of course, your boy cleans shoes. So if you need some shoe cleaning, I do icy soles, man. So make sure you follow me down below, Junkie Kicks Cleaning. I get you right on the icy soles, man. Or any shoes, let me know down below. I got you. But you know what I'm saying? Like I said, icy soles kind of throwing me out. But overall, like I said, shoe 9.5 out of 10. So comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all liking these shoes. Like I said, you got it from sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Let your boy know down below, man. But also one more thing. Purple laces here. Comes with purple laces, but I'm gonna stick to the white laces. It pops out the shoe even more. This shoe right here, 9 point. So let's go and get that on feet going, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, man. But these joints right here, I think this shoe definitely gonna be a sleeper to a lot of people's eyes. I don't know if you're people to Nike Dunks or anything like that, but this right, like I said, this right here is a sleeper, and I think one of the best Nike Dunks have come out this year so far. Get this on feet going, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all, like I said, tuning in as always. Be right back, man. Let's get this on feet going. Let's get it.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoe. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang. Hey, you will only see some real niggas around me. Gang, gang, GV, that's the family.
Yes, sir. Back from my own feet. Like I said, these things 9.5 out of 10. Like I said beforehand, it's just the colorway of the shoe. Like I said, size run these joints go a half size up. Like I said, I got a size 12 because I asked for 11.5 from corporate, but they was like, nah. So that size 12 fits me just perfect, man. That's it for this video, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love. As always, y'all hear the dollars in the background, so I'm trying to talk over them. But like I said, man, make sure you follow me on all platforms down below. My Instagram, my TikTok, my Twitter, everything else down below, man. I greatly appreciate y'all, man. Love y'all to death, man. Roll to that 2K, baby. Let's get it. Y'all don't want us out. Peace.